Hi and welcome. On this course, you will learn how to build your website. It's called your first landing page. That means the course was designed for complete beginners. No background is required, no design skills, no tech skills, nothing. Everybody can build a landing page. The course is completely free, $0, no strings attached. You can watch all the episodes here on YouTube. And it lasts only for 1 hour. Just 1 hour to learn a new skill. That's cool. During this course, you learn the most important things about a website for both personal purposes and for business. Those are the most essential parts of your landing page: templates, blog, customization such as SEO, color palettes, fonts. You will learn how to start accepting payments on your website with Stripe or other tools. You will learn how to manage forms and collect visitors' data, emails, names, whatever you want. And you will learn how to publish your website on a custom domain you prefer. This is the overview of my course. And before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander Izora. I'm the founder of Unicorn Platform, the landing page builder. And this course is supported by my company, and I will use my own landing page builder to demonstrate you all the concepts. But you are not obliged to use my tool. You can use any tool you want: Webflow, WordPress, Wix, anything you like. I will use Unicorn Platform to demonstrate you the fundamental concepts, the ideas behind designing a great landing page. You can apply this knowledge to any tool you want. I hope you will enjoy this course. I hope you will learn something new and spend magnificent time with me, your teacher, Alexander. Let's start your journey.